what I'm hearing from you is that you don't have to measure everything, but you need to know what matters to the partner and what matters to you and align those. And we know data is sort of a mess in large enterprise. They have so many silos and buckets and you have to put together. So how do you work with clients? What is that process looks like, pre-sales and post-sales perspective?
The AI actually does a lot of that work for us. So as we know, every company's KPIs are going to be different. They're all going to have different ways of measuring things. So when we ingest it, we're only looking at what they're doing today. Over time, it'll start recommending next steps and where you go with it. But there's not a whole lot of consulting it is a change management thing, but the idea here is to plug it in alongside of what you're doing and demonstrate that value, show the proof here. And so the hardest part, it's actually a very easy onboarding process because one of our partners is Syncari, Syncar, great company, but we use them as our integration layer. So we can plug into over 250 different applications right out of the box, and we can normalize the data before it comes in. But we also rely on there are tons and tons of incredible consultants out there in this space. So I would rather bring them in to do that consulting aspect, because you're absolutely right. A lot of organizations need that foundational understanding of how do we move from A to B. And so if they're not ready yet, that's where we tap our partner network and we bring them in. But we are a pure play AI as a service.